In front of me is Honor X7d, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on or turn off app notifications. If you wanna block notifications from any app on your Honor, here's how to do it using only devices settings. So let's begin by opening settings and scrolling a tiny bit to choose notifications and status bar. Now scroll again, and this time tap on Manage All right under Notifications section. Finally, find apps you want to manage and use blue switches right next to them to block all notifications from the chosen ones. If you can't find your app, you can tap on the search bar at the top and look for it. Or you can use those letters on the right. If you want to turn on app notifications, just use the same, now gray switches. Most people don't know though that you can actually go back, scroll and pick one of your apps over here. This way you can manage notifications thanks to this switcher next to Allow Notifications, but also operate all of those additional options. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!